to Simple Trends. If you are watching my video for the first time, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. I would love to hear your comments and feedback. Do mention in the comment section below. Check the description box for the ingredient list. The month of Aadi or Ashada marks the beginning of festivals in the Hindu calendar. This also refers to the beginning of Dakshinayana Punyakalam. The Fridays of this month Ashada is considered very auspicious and the goddess Devi is celebrated throughout the month. Today it is doubly auspicious, coinciding with the Aadi Pooram or Andal Jayanti, marking the birthday of Andal. This festival is celebrated for 10 days in Vishnu temples and culminates with the Thirukalyanam or marriage of goddess Andal and Lord Ranganathan. In Saivite temples, this day is celebrated by offering glass bangles to the goddess, which is distributed to women as a blessing. Today, let's see how to make 3 varieties of payasam with jaggery to offer as Naivedyam to the goddess. All these can be made very easily within 10 to 15 minutes. Let's see the first Paruppu Payasam. You can use any cup for measurement. I have taken 1 small cup of moong dal. This is a little less than 1 cup because I will add a little channa dal together with it. So it will totally come to 1 cup. 1 tablespoon channa dal. 1 cup jaggery. 1 tablespoon cashews which are broken. 1 tablespoon chopped coconut pieces. 2 cardamoms or elaichi. 1 teaspoon ghee. Water to cook and I will add some milk in the last. Dry roast the moong dal and channa dal for a few minutes. To give a nice aroma, it need not change color. Remove and in the same kadai, add a teaspoon of ghee and fry the cashewnuts and coconut pieces till they become golden brown. Wash the dal and keep it ready. In a 3-liter cooker, pour some water. Keep the moong dal in a vessel and add around 2.5 to 3 cups of water. Use the same cup for the correct measurements. Add the elaichi to it. Place another cup on top. Add the jaggery to the cup and add just 2 tablespoons of water. Close and cook for 4 whistles. 4 whistles done. Allow the pressure to settle on its own. You can now see that the jaggery is dissolved and the dal is cooked. Mash it well. Filter the jaggery. The filtering is necessary as the jaggery may have some impurities. And since it was kept in the pressure cooker, there will be no raw smell of the jaggery. Now add the jaggery to the cooked dal. Mix it well. Add the fried cashewnuts and coconut pieces. Add around 1 cup to 1.5 cups of milk to adjust the consistency. Yummy Paruppu Payasam is ready to be served. The next one is wheat rava or goduma ravai payasam with coconut milk. For this I have taken 1 cup wheat rava, 3/4 cup of jaggery. Since we are going to add coconut milk, I have reduced the quantity of jaggery because the coconut milk will give some sweetness to it. 1/4 cup of grated coconut and 1 cardamom. This I will grind and extract the coconut milk. A few pieces of cashew nuts and coconut to be fried in a teaspoon of ghee to garnish. In a 3-liter cooker, first roast the wheat rava with just a few drops of ghee. It is enough if you roast it for a minute in low flame. Remove and in the same cooker add a teaspoon of ghee. Fry the coconut and cashew pieces. Set it aside. In the meanwhile, I add a few spoons of water to grind the grated coconut and elaichi to extract the coconut milk. Now add the wheat rava to the cooker. Add 3/4 cup of water, 3/4 cup of milk and cook for 2 whistles on high. As it is getting cooked, I will dissolve the jaggery in a little water. The water should be just enough to cover the jaggery. Boil for a few minutes, keep the flame low. The coconut is also ground into a paste now. Filter to extract the coconut milk. 2 whistles are done for the wheat rava. Release the pressure immediately after switching off the cooker. Mix well, filter and add the dissolved jaggery. This will thicken as it cools. Add the coconut milk. I have added around 3/4 cup of coconut milk. You can also add some plain milk to adjust the consistency or replace the coconut milk with milk. Garnish with fried coconut and cashew nuts. Wheat rava payasam or goduma rava payasam with coconut milk is ready to be served. The third one is a millet payasam. This has a very creamy texture. Today I have used varagu or kodo millet. You can replace it with samai or little millet or thenai or foxtail millet. These millets are rich in fiber and minerals like calcium and iron. For this I have taken 1 small cup of varagu or kodo millet, 1 cup of jaggery, 1 tablespoon of cashew and a teaspoon of ghee to fry that, 2 elaichis. I am going to wash the millet and soak it for 10 minutes as millets take some time to cook. My millets are soaked for 10 minutes. Now add 2 cups of water. 1 cup I have used for soaking the millet and the other cup I will add it in the last. And 3 cups of milk. So totally I have used 5 cups, which is 2 cups of water and 3 cups of milk. Use the same cup for measurement as the one which we have used for measuring the millet. Add the elaichi to it. Close and cook for 6 whistles. 4 whistles on high flame and then reduce the flame and cook for 2 whistles. Allow the pressure to settle on its own. In the meanwhile, add water to the jaggery to dissolve it. Boil for a few minutes to avoid the raw smell of jaggery. Once the pressure is settled, open the cooker and mix well. The millet is cooked. Filter and add the dissolved jaggery. Adjust the consistency by adding some more boiled milk. Since this is cooked in milk, it becomes very creamy and tasty. In a kadai, add a teaspoon of ghee. Fry the cashews till it turns golden brown and add to the payasam. You can add some chopped dates or other dry fruits to garnish, which gives a nice texture and taste to this payasam. Yummy and healthy millet payasam is ready to be served. For each Friday of the month of Aadi or Ashadam, you can make one variety of this payasam and offer to the goddess. As a ritual, tambulam with glass bangles and turmeric is given to women who visit us on this auspicious day. May the goddess bless us with all good health and happiness. Hope you enjoyed watching this. Subscribe to Simple Trends and hit the bell icon to get instant updates on our new videos. Your feedback and comments are important to us. Stay tuned for more interesting videos. Bye.